already. So what was yours?
Tanssimäenkatu 14.
Yes, take a speed. We have to get to this exercise as well. It's the 16th of July 2024. And unfortunately, they are going to demoralize these elevators. Sorry. This is also in Mukkula, Lahti, Finland. Built in 1967 by Kone with pop-out features. This is H1, 509.
Yeah, artist top floor actually. Not.
Yeah, for the 8th floor.
Yeah.
Yes, we have to get to staircases A and C now, because from the 1st of August, unfortunately, A will begin.
Yeah.
The staircase C will begin from the 40th of October.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to continue. And wait there.
Mm. Ei.
En ole.
That's